What's the meaning of casting? Casting. Casting.
Casting. Casting. Casting refers to the process of creating a metal or plastic object by pouring molten material into a mold and allowing it to cool and solidify. The result is a three-dimensional object that is an exact replica of the mold. The finished product can be highly detailed and precise, making casting a popular manufacturing method for a wide range of products, from small jewelry pieces to large industrial machine parts. Other materials, such as concrete and plaster, can also be cast to create sculptures, architectural features, and other artistic pieces.